Hi everyone. So today's class of our session will be today our topic of our session will be maxima and minima. Okay. So most of you or many of you might be aware that this is one of the interesting and one of most interesting and as well as it's kind of very important topic for plus two session. Okay, so it's not only restricted to plus two session, it can be used even in engineering applications many places, as well as we use it in banking sector as well. We use it in calculation of growth of any organization, how it will grow or how the curve is getting set up. Okay, so all these things everywhere we use this technique of maxima and minima to identify what is the growth or what is the descending things may happen in future, depending on what is the present consideration or present condition of any organization. So accordingly, that's why maxima and minima will give you an idea that what all can occur if a curve of a recent growth or recent development is known to us. Okay, so that's what we will study in maxima and minima basically here. Yeah. So before starting, I'll just have a session of introduction of me, so that you are aware about me and you know that who am I and what I'm teaching to you. Okay. So yes. Uh, yeah. My name is Kamal Kumar. I'm an aerospace engineer and I love to play around with numbers. I'm a technical document specialist in aerospace industry. I have around 5 years of teaching in mathematics. So in these 5 years, I have experience of teaching in an institute where I used to teach engineering mathematics, as well as 11th and 12th mathematics. Okay, and we also prepare the students for JEE exams. Okay, so this was with the institute we were running, but yeah, after I got into the development of my career, that is as aerospace engineer, I had to pull that thing up and I moved on more frequently in aerospace engineering terms. Okay, so if after this session, if you feel somewhere that okay, you are interested or you will be interested to join the Unacademy, please use this referral code Kamal10. Okay, to subscribe to our channel. Okay, to follow my regular and updated class session. Okay, on Unacademy, which is also like called as plus classes on Unacademy Plus, where I take continuous classes for 11th and 12th. Okay, now, so hi guys, it's school time on Unacademy. When we tell school time, so it is very frequent, like it is actually different from what school you had been going to. Okay, so here there you had one teacher who was teaching a specific one topic. Here you can have more than one teacher teaching the same topic. So this is a new type of a school where you can understand, where you can solve different types of problem, and that will be more interesting from your part of point of view, as well as when you are solving more number of problems, so that also gets you interesting in solving the problems. Okay, so we are really excited about it with launch of live classes for CBSE class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So now Unacademy has launched four more sessions under the CBSE classes. That is, we have classes for CBSE class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, where we conduct the complete live classes. Means it is always a topic wise session, so each topic, maybe you can receive the topic of one teacher for one topic, and if you are not understanding, you can again uh, go to another teacher with the same topic. Okay, because same topic can be taught by many number of teachers at Unacademy, so you will have the more chances of gathering more variant knowledge of the same thing. Okay, so that's why you can attend our live classes, and after every 3 live sessions we have one doubt sessions where we solve all the doubts of every students, and then we have a quiz session every week. Okay, as well as whenever any course or any topic is getting over, then we have a mega quiz scheduled for that. I don't know about the other part, but yes, practice session is one of the most important part, because here whenever I take my personal classes, I give more and more number of practice questions and we solve it in class within a time limit of frame. Okay, so what it does, it helps you get in the accuracy as well as the part of time management as well, because when you are going to 12th exam, so time management is very important nowadays. Okay, and these are all available for CBSE class 9th and 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay, and here we build your foundation for the coming challenges. Okay guys, so if you are aware about Unacademy, you know how to join the Unacademy. So you can access it through desktop, you can access it through mobile app, or whichever is the medium you are suitable for. Okay, so in desktop you can go to unacademy.com. In mobile app you can go and download Unacademy learning app. So there you can go and learn, means click and select your goal out of CBSE class 10, 11th, 12th or 13th, sorry 12th, all the classes you can attain your or check your goals. Once you check on your goals, it will take you to the monthly subscription or duration of the courses which you want to take. So you can go for 1 month, you can go for 3 months, you can go for 6 months, you can go for 12 months. Once you select your period of the subscription, you can go and click the enter referral code. What referral code you can put? You can put Kamal 10 as the referral code, and this will give you a very good amount of discount when you are taking the subscription. Once you apply the referral code, just go and click on the apply. Okay, so after that you will be ready for attending all my live classes. Still, even if you don't want to take this, still go and give it a try. Download an Academy app. There we, as a tutor, we take many special classes. What are these special classes? Special classes are the classes which are not chargeable. Means these are the free classes. Okay, so you can always go and download an Academy app. It is going to give you benefit. Even if you are not looking for subscription also, you are not looking for paid membership also, you can go for free classes. That is called as a special class, which is every day. You can find at least 3 to 4 teachers who are taking live special classes for your topics. So you can go and join any or jump in any of the classes. You can learn the topic, you can ask your doubt, you can come out with really smiling face. Okay, so like that you can go, and if you are interested you can still go and follow. Okay, now if you are interested you can join my Instagram group. You can, for that you can message me on 9738919340. if you ping me on this number, I will add you to the Instagram, sorry, telegram link. Otherwise you can directly go and search Unacademy, sorry, Unacademy classes by Kamal Kumar. If you go and search this on Telegram, okay, so this is on Telegram. Okay, you can go and find me, you can go and search me, and you can join the Telegram group. Okay guys, so still, and yes, one more thing, if you are interested to follow all my classes on Unacademy, you can go and you will find a search box. In search box find, search Kamal Kumar. Okay, so Kamal Kumar, when you search you will find me, my profile with this picture. Okay, so you can see this picture, you can click on the follow over there, and you will be updated with all my classes. And if I am taking any special classes, I will update on this group as well. Okay guys, coming to our topic of the day, all of you know that today's topic is what? We have the topic of called maxima and minima. Okay, so by name itself, what you are studying? Maxima. Okay, so maxima stands for maximum. Okay, and minima stands for minimum. Right, now when we are talking about maxima and minima, so this can be a two categories. Like, see, if I have a graph like this, okay, so when I'm talking about maxima, I can have the interval from here, assume 0 to x, right? So in this interval, what is the maximum value is this, right? So this can be the maxima. But when I'm going out of this, like assume I'm from 0 to x1, right? Okay, so in this case, yeah, so in this case, what is the maximum? Our value of maximum is this one. Okay, so there are two different concepts regarding this, and we will cover. First I will explain both, and then I will come back to what we are going to cover in this session. Okay, so see, if you have session like this graph, right? So if I'm talking about this interval to this interval, right? So in this case, maxima is this one, right? But when I'm going from interval this to this, right? So this is maximum, right? Now, so if I'm going between this to this interval of maxima is known as local maxima. Okay guys, so this will be known as local maxima. But if I'm not, if no range of restriction is there, okay, means no restriction on selection of x-axis is there, so you can easily say this is your maximum point, which is more than even this one, right? So this will known as maxima. Okay, so there are 2 points, one is local maxima, right, and another is absolute maxima. Okay, so local maxima is this one, and absolute maxima is this one. Same way, we have 2 different points for minima also. So we have local minima, okay, and we have absolute minima. Okay, so again, local minima in this case could be this one, while absolute minima can go till this value, right? So it completely depends on what function you are considering, what value you are taking, and what is the range of our study or range of our graph. Okay, anyone, any doubt? Then you can, if you are having any doubt or any question, you can just ping me on you can just drop a comment on live chat of the YouTube channel, and we will have a discussion on that point. No problem with that. Okay guys, so okay, so we will study about these 2 points, and we will see what is different between this and this, right? So see, first of all, local maximum and local minimum, which I told you just now, and which I told you is absolute, you can take it as extreme maximum as well as extreme minimum, that is in, it stands for in a given overall interval, while this is a given for a specific interval case. Okay, so let's study what is local maximum. So if C is a point of local maximum, what is this? This C is a point of local maximum if f dash of C is equal to 0. So all of you know f dash is nothing of C is nothing but df by dx if f is a function of x, right? And f dash changes sign from positive to negative as x increases through C. Okay, so if you want to understand this, let's go to this graph. Okay, so if you see dx by dc, so df by dx, if I go, okay, or we can say dy by dx when in this curve, right? So if you can say dy by dx at this point will be how much? Dx at this point is kind of 0 because it is parallel to x-axis, right? And that will be tangential when we are considered with respect to x-axis, right? So in this case, f dash, if f dash c of 0, so first condition is satisfied here, f dash of c is equal to 0. Then next condition is what? And f dash of x changes, see, just notice it, f dash of x changes from positive to negative as x increases through c, right? Now see, if you are going a slope wise, see here, slope at this point is this, slope at this point, if you are seeing, it is coming down, right? So slope is what happening, f dash of x is going downward, right? Means it is getting more steeper towards downward direction, right? Hence this point will be known as local maximum point. Is it clear? Hope all of you are clear with this. See, if you don't know, didn't understand, we'll have a discussion again on this, no problem with that. Okay, see, okay, see, first point is what? The first point is f dash, point is this, so f dash of x at that point should be equal to 0. That should be the first things always to be considered. Okay, and then second thing is what? Second thing, f dash of c is negative, okay, and keeps decreasing, right? So after this value, as we move on towards positive of x-axis, then this value should always keep on decreasing. That's why it is called as, then this point will be c, will be called as, c will be called as point of local maximum, and f of c will be known as local maximum. Okay, so is it clear? I hope all of you are clear. Okay, now in the same thing, okay, so same case, this is, okay, this is for this one. Now if I'm talking about local minima, okay, so I'll copy this and I'll paste it again. Okay, now see, when we are talking about local minima, okay, so local minima, again here the same two conditions are there, but one condition will be same and second condition will be changed. Okay, so first condition is again f dash of x at that point should be equal to 0. So let's consider this point here. What happens? F dash of x is 0, right? And then f dash of x should be increasing, right? So if you see, f dash of x is this, now if I go ahead, this this this, right? So after this you can see it is easily going up as we move towards positive of x-axis. So this point c is known as, c is point of local minima, and f of c is local minima point, right? Is it clear or not, guys? If anyone is having doubt, please drop a comment and we can have a discussion on that. Okay, guys? Yes. Okay, next thing, now see, we'll again have a look at the second definition. C is a point of local minimum if again f dash of c is equal to 0 and f dash of x changes sign from negative to positive as x increases through c. So basically it should be always analyzed at that point, right? Okay, Okay, like see, at this point, after this point what happens, still here it is coming down, and after this it is changing sign, right? So second thing always you need to remember is what, that always the sign should change at this point. Okay, so before this what happens, here the f dash of x was negative, right? Okay, and after that what happens, f dash of x is equal to positive. Okay, so c is changing its direction from negative to positive, while in this case what it was, the in this case it was f dash, okay, changes from positive to negative, right? So see, if you see the slope here, it is going upward, and then it comes to 0, and then it comes to going downwards, right? So it is clear, all of you are clear with that point, right? Okay, so this is the case when we have to consider only in a given interval. Okay, you can see here we are talking only about a graph in this portion only, like assume from 0 to this portion, assume x, same thing, maybe minus 2 to plus 6 kind of thing. Okay, now there comes the third scenario also. Okay, third scenario is what, okay, now third point is, in this what you saw, it was changing its sign at here, in this also you saw the sign was changing here, right? But in third case what happens, see, the slope is positive, right? Okay, means dy by dx is equal to positive, right? And also the sign is not changing. If you see at c equal to 3, right, the signs are not changing. Okay, so in that case it will be always known as, this is called as point of inflection, means where we are not changing the sign at all. Okay, so you can study this one. So the extreme maximum and extreme minimum, in this you will study about that. So f dash of x changes sign from positive to negative, as in is a point of maximum, all of you know now. This also you know, point of minimum. Definition stays same, just that interval is defined, that in this case it is only for a fixed interval, in this it is for in all the complete interval. Okay, then if f dash does not change its sign as x increases through c, means if c is 3 and after that still the sign is positive, and earlier also it was positive, we say that x is neither a point of maximum nor a point of minimum. In such case x equal to c is called as point of inflection. Is it clear? So guys, always keep this in mind, it is called as point of inflection, because this is the question you will be facing in many of the competitive exams. They will ask you about point of inflection, they will not ask about maximum and minimum, because you know all of these and they are aware about that thing. Okay, yeah, it doesn't mean that you don't study that all. Okay, okay, now coming to next point. Okay, so here we will not study in this topic in today's class. I'm not going to study about, or I'm not going to explain anything about the first derivative test. That becomes easier and that you can easily grab it. Where the students are facing problem is mostly second derivative test. Okay, so for second derivative test there are few steps. Okay, first step is step 1. Okay, so in step 1, identify the expression. Okay, identify the expression or maybe relation. Okay, once you identify the expression or relation, you need to identify the changes with respect to. Okay, like see, if I have a cylinder, right, if I have a cylinder over here, right, so that it can change with respect to radius as well as height. Okay, but if you are taking a water tanker of cylindrical shape, in that radius is not going to change, right, radius stays constant, right. So whenever I will consider the volume of this, I will always consider with respect to height of this, right. So if I'm filling water, what will happen, height will increase, or if I emptying the water from that cylinder, what will happen, water will go out, but radius will still be same, right, radius is not going to change of that, right. But if you see the cone, right, so in cone what happen, if I'm pouring some sand over here, right, so what will happen here, radius is also changing, h is also changing, right. So radius and h both are changing. So in this case we need to identify what is the relation we are going to stuck to this, so that it gives us a perfect question or perfect equation. Okay guys, anyone have any doubt, then please tell me. Okay, so in this case, see, first case is what, identify the equation. Okay, then second is identifying the changing variable. Okay, then once you identify that, you need to identify that what is this function. So assume function of x v dot as equal to something, right, so that we can find out f dash of x, we can find out, right. So again step one, now step one of solution. Okay, step one of solution, first thing what you do, find out f dash x, right, find. Okay, step 2 will be what, equate f dash of x equal to 0. Okay, and find x. Okay, now step 3 will be what, once you know value of x, find out f of x. Assume now x can be of two values, so x1 and x2 you got, right. So find out x1 and f of x2. Okay, now before that we will find f double dash, sorry, f double dash of x1. So what you can do in step 3 is find f double dash of x. Okay, and then substitute it in f dash of x1 and f dash of x2. Once you substitute this, there could be two cases. Okay, if f dash of x is equal to negative, okay, means if f dash of x is negative, then f of x is max at x equal to x1. Okay, if it is equal to positive, means f of x, okay, then f of x1 at x equal to is minimum. Okay, so we'll solve one problem and we will identify this, we will try to solve that with using this function. Okay, so first I will forget about this, leave this part for now. Okay, so I'm only asking about to find the maximum and minimum value of this, right. So just y equal to what we can write now, 3x to power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. Okay, so y dash, if I write y dash is equal to how much, 12x cube minus 8 is at 24x square plus power going to be 24x minus 48, right. Okay, also you same time better I will suggest you find out y double dash also. Okay, y double dash is how much, 36x square minus 48x plus 24, right? Now what you need to find? See, first what we will find? F dash of x, then we will find f double dash of x, okay, and third find x at f dash of x equal to 0, right? So I will put this equal to 0. So what is the condition? 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48 equal to 0, right? So how we can solve it? Yeah, okay. So since we have cubic equation, so before that we can simplify this. Simplify this how? By taking 12 common. So if I take 12 common, what is left? X cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Now second thing is what we can do? We need to simplify. Okay, x square into x minus 2 can I write, and then plus 2 into x minus 2 I can write, right, equal to 0, right? So let's take x minus 2 common. So what will be left? X square plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this will give us what? X square plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? So this will give us, from here we can write x equal to 2, and from here I can write x is equal to minus of root 2, right? So you can use any of this value, right? So minus of, sorry, okay. So x square is equal to minus 2, right? So x is equal to root of minus 2, right? So this can be written as 2 plus minus 2 iota, root 2 iota, right? Now what we can do? So we are clear till this step, right? Now what we will do? We will find out f double dash of x at x1 and x2, right? So at x1 what we got the value? X1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to minus root of minus 2, right? So here we will put 2 and here root of minus 2. I'll just have a check of this again. So see, 2 2 2 8 minus 8 is 0. So 2 is satisfying. Then root 2 minus root 2 will also satisfy it. I hope anyone is not having doubt. If anyone is having doubt, then please leave a comment. We'll try to sort it. Okay. Now, so next step is what? Next step is we will find f double dash of 2, right? That is what is x1, right? So f double dash of 2 means what? Double dash is 36x square minus 48x plus 24, right? So I'll put it 30, sorry, 36x square minus 48x, 36x square minus 48x plus 24, right? Now if I put this value as x is equal to 2, right? So if I put as 2, so what happens? 36 into 4 minus 48 into 2 plus 24, right? So you can easily see this is going as positive, right? That's why at x equal to 2 the value is minimum. Okay, now in this condition also there was one thing. What was that one thing? Is we had a limit. Okay, so once the limit was decided, so we will check. See, 0 we have, 3 we have, and 2 we have, right? So 2, 3 and 0. So if you want, you can again check this same value for f dash of 0, f double dash of 3. Okay, but since here already it is 1, so we don't need to go much in detail. Okay, so these are the questions. So we'll go to this question, some word problem. Okay, so here what they are asking, find two positive numbers whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose square is minimum. Okay, so find two positive numbers. Assume we have x and y. Okay, whose sum is 15. So can I write x plus y is equal to 15 and sum of whose square is minimum. So I can write x square plus y square should be equal to minimum. This is what we need to find, right? Means this is the given condition and we need to find x and y, right? So what we can write here is y equal to, can I write directly by 15 minus x, right? So I can write u is equal to x square plus y square is our expression. So this same thing can be written as x square plus 15 minus x whole square, right? Next what we can do, u is equal to what we can write, x square plus 15 square is how much? 225, right? Right, so this I can write 225 plus x square, okay, minus 30x. Okay, so finally u is what? 2x square minus 30x plus 225. Okay, now since we need to find the maxima and minima condition, what I need to find? I need to do du by dx, right? So du by dx is equal to how much? 4x minus 30 minus 30, and again if you want u double dash, so u double dash will be equal to 4. That is always positive, right? So at all value of c. Now if I put this equal to 0, okay, so if I put this equal to 0, what we will get? 4x is equal to 30, right? So x equal to 30 by 4, x equal to 30 by 4, hence okay, so what we got here, first step what we got, u we defined, then we found u dash, and you find u double dash. So u double dash is what? Positive, right? And u dash is always how much case? 30 by 4, means this gives us at x equal to, means x equal to 30 by 4, right? Therefore u maximum will be equal to at x equal to 30 by 4. Is it clear? Right, now they have not given, since they have not said anything about if it is integer or any other number, right? So u max at x equal to 30 by 4, we can find out y equal to, so y is equal to how much? 15 minus 30 by 4, right? That was the condition. From here 15 minus x, right? So this will become how much? So how much? 60 minus 30 by 4. So this is also equal to 30 by 4. So x and y both are equal to how much? 30 by 4. That is nothing but 7.5 is the answer. Okay, and if you see the value of this, so what could be what they are asking? Find the two positive numbers, okay, and sum of whose square is minimum. So that will be the minimum condition will be how much? Hence u minimum will be how much? Minimum will be 7.5 whole square plus 7.5 whole square. Okay, if anyone is having doubt, please tell me. Anyone is having doubt, please. Okay, shall we move to next question? If no one is having any doubt. Okay, so let's see another question. Okay, now another question is, what is this question is, find the shortest distance of the point 0 comma c from the parabola y equal to x square, where c is minimum is 0 and c maximum can be equal to 5, right? Okay, now all of you know what is parabola, right? So if you have any point on the parabola, okay, let's take some point p is equal to parabola as h comma k. Can I take it? Once I take, find the shortest distance of the point from the parabola this. So this parabola, if it is, sorry, this should be actually, this should have been y equal to x square. Okay, so y equal to x square if you have the parabola, right? Okay, so in any case we can take a parabola and we can assume the distance between that. Okay, so if you have a point on the parabola, okay, so assume this is your parabola and this is your point. So distance between the point and the parabola can be found by the distance formula, that is what, h minus 0 whole square plus k minus c whole square, right? All of you know how to find this, right? After that, if we expand this, what will happen? Root of h square plus k square plus c square minus 2kc. Okay, so this is the final expression we can get. Okay, but what they are saying, y equal to x square is the equation of parabola, right? So y equal to x square is the equation of parabola, means h equal to k square. Can I write? Can I write or not? Right? Y equal to x square. Yes. Okay, so sorry, I wrote it opposite, I think. Yes. Okay, see, y value is k, right, and x value is this, so k equal to h square, right? Now I can put this value in this, so d is equal to root of k plus k square plus c square minus 2kc, right? So you can either write this way, or if you want you can write it in this way itself. H square will become how much? K plus k minus c whole square. So whichever is convenient to you, you can follow that way. Okay, now once we know that, after that what we know, since we need to find the shortest distance, so shortest distance means two things I need to know, that is d dash, right, and d double dash, right? So for d dash we know d dash of, since we are finding with respect to what, now here only one variable is k, because c is a constant point on the, right, same thing k. So either I can write d of dash of k is equal to how much? K plus k minus c whole square, right? and then into differentiation of k is 1 plus differentiation of k minus c whole square is how much? 2 into k minus c, right? And then into 1, right? So this is what we get. So 1 plus 2 into k minus c divided by root of k plus k minus c whole square, right? Now according to our rule, what should be the condition? We should put d dash of k equal to 0, right? Once we put d dash of k equal to 0, what we need to find? We need to find the value of k. Okay, so for that, okay, so d dash of k was what? 1 plus 2 into k minus c divided by root of k plus k minus c whole square, right? This was the thing we are having. Now this we can put is equal to 0. So this will give you what? Denominator will go and multiply with 0, that will become 0. So final thing is what? 1 plus 2 into k minus c will be equal to 0. So 2k minus 2c, or rather than that we can rather than that what you can write is 2 into k minus c is equal to minus 1, or 2 into c minus k is equal to 1. So c minus k is equal to 1 by 2, right? Then since we need to find k, so we got to check whether you could have followed here itself. So k minus c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So k equal to how much? Minus 1 by minus 2c, right? So that will become 1 by 2c, right? So what we got the value? K equal to 1 by 2c. Okay, is that fine? So once we know that k equal to, we need to do anything else. We don't miss something. Oh, sorry. 1 2 also should be there in differentiation, right? Sorry. But that is not going to impact anything on us. Yes, we'll do it again. Just give me a sec, we'll do it again. Okay, so from here what we can go, 1 plus 2k minus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what we got? 2k minus c is equal to minus 1, right? So k minus c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, yes, k equal to minus 1 by 2 plus c. So what we can write? C minus 1 by 2 is equal to k. Okay, so k equal to 2c minus 1. Sorry, this will become 2c, right? So what we got? Final thing is k equal to 2c minus 1 by 2 things. Okay, once we know this value, we can put it again in the equation, right? But for that, okay, now if you observe this condition, what we get, see, if this condition, if this is the condition, okay, so 2k minus c plus 1, if this is less than 0, right, then this becomes total is negative, right, okay, then f dash of k is also negative, okay, so f dash of k is also negative. In such case, if f dash of k is negative, means the function is okay. Also, if that is if you are taking it as positive, right, then the by first derivative it is minimum at k equal to this value. Since it is negative at this value, therefore by first derivative test f of k is minimum. Okay guys, so hope all of you understood something. Same way you can solve many other problems, okay, like in this case ap and bq be the two vertical boards at point a and b, okay, at a and b. So ap and bq, so ap and bq, so this will become p and this will become q at point A and B respectively, if AP is equal to 16 meter and BQ is equal to 22 meter, right, and AP is equal to 20 meter, so this is 20 meter, then find the distance of a point R on AB, okay, so we need to put a point here R on AB, right, such that RP square, where is RP square, RP square is this, right, RP square plus RQ square is equal to minimum. Okay, so see, if you take u equal to rp square plus rq square, okay, so this value should be minimum value, right. So for that what you can do, you can write u equal to rp square. Rp square, if I assume this as x, then can I write this as 20 minus x, right, so u will be equal to how much, okay, rp square will be 16 square plus x square, right, and then plus 22 square plus 20 minus x whole square, right, so that is your u. Now if you need to find u dash, so u dash will be always with respect to what in this case, it will be completely with respect to x, and then 16 square differentiation will be 0, x square differentiation is 2x, this differentiation will become 2 into 20 minus x, right, into minus 1, right, okay. Next step is put u dash equal to 0, so u dash equal to 0, in this case what will happen, 2x plus 2 into, sorry, minus will come here, right, so what I can write, okay, so this will become minus 2 into 20 minus x is equal to 0, right, so this will come how much, 2x is equal to 20, or you can write 2 into 20 minus x, right, so solving it further, it will give what, 2 and 2 we can cancel, x is equal to 20 minus x I can further bring this side, so this will become 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10, so x is equal to 10 is the point now, right. Now we need to find x equal to 10, what is the double differentiation, right, so for that what we need to do, okay, so f double dash of x we need to find, right, so f double dash of x will be differentiation of 2x will be 2, right, so for that first I'll write here f dash of x so that I don't get confused while writing it, so 2x into 2x plus 2 into 2x into 2 into or minus minus 20 minus 20 minus x, right? So 2x minus 2 into 20. So f double dash of x will be how much? F double dash of x will become 2 into, right? Then minus 2 into differentiation of 20 minus x will be minus 1. So that will be always 2 plus 2, that is equal to always positive. So always positive, right? Hence f dash x, right, at x equal to how much we got? X equal to 10, right? At x equal to 10 will give f minimum, okay, will give the minimum value of function of x at x equal to 10. Okay, so this is your answer. Hope all of you understood it. If anyone of you have any doubt, yes, it is always positive, so the value of f of x will always be minimum. Okay, so whatever value of we get at x equal to 10, so that will be the minimum value. So if you want to find the minimum value of x, minimum value of this value, right? So minimum value of this will be how much? At x equal to 10. So that we can find using u minimum will be equal to how much? 16 square plus 10 square plus 22 square plus 20 minus 10 square, so 10 square, right? So you can find the value of this as the minimum value. Okay, so hope all of you understood something. So if you like the class, if you enjoyed the class, you can go and follow the like and subscribe button, and you can follow the Unacademy for more further videos and more further classes to be coming ahead. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can again, as I can say, if you are attending my first class and you want to join the my Unacademy link of Telegram, then you can ping me on this number 97. You can ping me on this number 9738919340. Okay, so hope all of you enjoyed the class. Yeah, every day normally I take 6 p.m. for standard 11. Okay, and I take 7:30 p.m. for the standard 12. Okay, so go and follow me. My name is Kamal Kumar, signing off from the Unacademy class. Okay, guys, so hope all of you enjoyed this, hope all of you liked this. If you have any question or anything, please shoot out to me.